Ever since Nikon shook up the camera world with the launch of its impressive Z mirrorless system in 2018, photographers have been eagerly awaiting the next evolution of the high-resolution Z7 model. Rumors are swirling that a successor dubbed the Z7 III could arrive as soon as late 2024, bringing a bevy of tantalizing upgrades and cutting-edge features. Let's find out more. At the top of most photographers' wish lists is a bump in sensor resolution for the Z7 III. The previous Z7 II featured a stellar 45.7 megapixel BSI CMOS chip, on par with rivals like the Canon EOS R5 and Sony A1. However, the rumor mill suggests Nikon may take it to another level, potentially pushing resolution up to a staggering 60 megapixels or higher. If true, this would not only leapfrog the Z7 III ahead of the 61MP Sony A7RV, but make it one of the highest resolution full-frame cameras ever produced, a boon for landscape, architecture, product and commercial photographers craving extreme detail capture. But megapixels alone don't make a great camera. The Z7 III will also need a major autofocus revamp to keep up with the competition. While the Z7 II's autofocus was decent, it lagged behind leaders like the Sony A7R4 in areas like subject tracking sensitivity and intelligent subject recognition. Expect Nikon to pull out all the stops with a radically overhauled AF system using AI and deep learning, with improved face i.e. body detection, drastically more AF points across the sensor, and tenacious tracking capabilities that can lock onto subjects with ease. Video features are another area ripe for big upgrades. The Z7 II offered an excellent 4K video feature set, including 10-bit N-Log output, zebras, focus peaking and uncropped 4K 60p recording. However, with competitors like the Canon R5 and Sony A7S III now sporting pro-grade specs like 8K video, improved rolling shutter performance, and codecs like ProRes RAW, the Z7 III may need to raise its video game considerably. Potential upgrades could include internal 8K recording up to 30p, improved heat dissipation, uncropped 4K from the full sensor width, and flat log profiles. Video shooters would also surely welcome other enhancements like longer recording times and 10-bit 4:2:2 color depth. To steady those bigger sensors and lenses for video, expect the Z7 III to move to a more advanced 6 or 7-axis in-body image stabilization system over the 5-axis IBIS in the Z7 II. Other likely performance upgrades include a faster image processor for improved speed, buffering, and frame rates up to 15 frames per second, better rolling shutter performance, dual CF Express and UHSI SD card slots, and maybe even a higher resolution EVF and articulating rear LCD. Design-wise, look for modest refinements like a deeper grip, revised button layout, and added weather sealing. As for pricing, the Z7 II launched at $3,000 back in 2020, so we'd expect the Z7 III to come in at least $3,500 to $4,000 given the major potential improvements and recent inflation. That would actually give Nikon some room to price the Z7 III aggressively against rivals like the Sony A7RV, which started at $3,900. Of course, all of these are just rumors based on leaks and educated guesswork at this stage, but with the incredible advancements we've seen from Nikon and other mirrorless players in recent years, it's clear that the Z7 III will likely push performance boundaries even farther. Whether it can wow pros and enthusiasts enough to migrate over from brands like Sony and Canon remains to be seen. But one thing is for certain, the mirrorless camera wars are heating up, and all eyes are on Nikon to raise the bar even higher with its next Z-series flagship. An exciting future lies ahead for photographers and videographers alike. Thanks for watching.